everyone, this is the Topec T8055 bolt extractor kit, is also known as Easy Outs. I needed to buy this kit for the 1 1/16 tool, but I found this complete kit. It goes from 5/64 all the way through the 1 1/16. It's a 9-piece kit. It's constructed of high carbon steel, and you can see the flutes are very nice. It's got a number of flutes, which I was very happy with. I was using it on a brass fitting on a valve in the wall, and so I needed to make sure that I had enough flutes to grab on, because as a soft metal like brass, it will tend to try to strip. So with the amount of flutes that are on here, it had no problem removing it. I really like the kit. It's just a nice, complete, durable kit. And the case itself is a very durable case. It has a nice hinges instead of just the little plastic flaps, so it actually pivots on a couple hinges. It's just a nice addition to my tool set. So if you're looking for a easy out or a bolt extractor kit, then I would suggest Topec.